Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about these topics. Okay, one is website creation, page creation, and form creation. Okay, these things I think we covered, but we will revise today and with a new website and also Power Page Management Studio. Okay, Power Pages Management. We are going to cover how to add web role, table permission, and basic form. Sorry, and also lists. Okay, so these topics I am going to cover. So first, website creation. How to create a website creation. Earlier we discussed, but now also I am going to discuss. Go to Power Apps. Okay, make.powerapps.com, and after that click on create, and the next website. Okay, click on website and click on new website. Now it will navigate to Power Pages. Okay, so this is Power Pages home page. It will navigate, and now we have AI assistant, so you can describe your website. For example, I want to create a college website which contains contains sorry, student details and marks details. Okay, so this is one website, and student details and marks details I want. Just a general website. Just click on enter button. I mean, you can click on that enter button. Now it is campus contact. Okay, and campus connect. Sorry. Okay, you can see. But what I will do is KL University. Simple. KLU. Okay, so KL University I have given. This is my university name, and click on next. So campus connect. I think this one also given site name also KL University. I am going to give it and click on next. Click on next, and about us, contact us. These are all the pages that are available. Student details, marks details, academic calendar. Okay, and click on done. Now it is creating the website. Now my website has been created with these pages. Okay, and the next page creation. Anyway, these are all the default pages that are available. I want a new web page actually. Okay, so how to create? Click on new web page, and here you can use AI Copilot tool. But what I want is I want to add my existing one form, new form. For example, I want student student okay, marks, something like that, marks, and it is a blank form. Student marks is one form is created. But now if you want, if you are already created any table in Power Apps, so any table you can pull it here. Okay, any table, sorry, any form. So any table form you can pull here. For example, now I am just taking one form. So table name, for example, contact. Contact is one table. Okay, and in that contact one form I have created, Adit form. earlier. This is the out of box entity and this is the form, Adit form, and click on OK. So now it will be displayed. Okay, this is the form that is displayed. And after that, I don't want this, this information, okay, this text and all. So just edit form and captcha, you can remove it. Okay, and also on submit, I want your contact information is successfully submitted. Okay, this is the message I want to display, and data, and create a new record, all these things keep it as it is, and this is the form, keep it as it is. That's it. And next, permissions, we have to give some permissions. What I can give is, I will create a new permission, I will show you, but as of now keep it as it is. Okay, permissions, how to create web role and all, right? So but permissions and all we can create in the power power pages management tool. Okay, power platform admin center, you can see, sorry, power page management. Okay, how to navigate this page? What you can do is, you can, click on these three dots and power pages management, select it. So automatically it will navigate to the power page management, okay, website. So this we need to take the license or trial version you have to install while creating the power platform. So you see, this is the power page management. So what we are going to discuss is, we are going to create a web role, and we are going to create a table permission and a basic form and a list. Okay, these four topics I am going to cover. So basic, first, web role we have to create, means one role we have to create, wherein in you know dynamic crm dataverse we have used security roles, but this is a portal management, right? So here we are going to use the web role. So how to create a new web role? For example, click on new, and here name one web role, KLU web role. Web role, you can use one, you can create one role, new role. And website, you have to use this KL University, and a description you can write it. And as of now, authenticated users no, and anonymous users role yes, you select the yes only for this. Okay, just click on save, and after that save and close. Okay, we have created one KLU web role. After that, we have to give the table permission. Okay, so go to the table permission and create the new table. Okay, new table name is KLU table. K K sorry, KLU table. Okay, this is the table. And anyway, table name, you have to use your own table name. For our table name is a contact table, that we have already earlier we have discussed, right? Contact. So now you see contact table, and website is a KL University, and access type is keep it global, and privileges, you can use read, and write is not required. Create also you can select, and click on save. So now KLU table I have created, and for that I need to assign web role also. So web role we are already created KL web role, that we have to add it. Okay, here KL web role is displayed. Click on add button. Okay, and save. That's it. So we have created a table, and we have created role also. Okay, so these web role and table permission both are completed. And basic form, so basic form also I am going to show you in the power pages management. So basic form means here we are going to create the forms also. Okay, for example, here I am going to create one form, new form. So form name is KLU basic form. Okay, simple example, KLU basic form. Okay, and a table name already we have discussed, right? Contact table name, contact, contact, contact. This is the table name. And form name, you can select already one Adit form already. In the contact name, contact table I have created Adit form. Usually we have main form and there are information from all these forms are there, right? Similarly, in power apps I have created one form called Adit form. Okay, so now Adit form I have selected, and here table name and summary or communication is there. Summary you can select, tab name, sorry, this is a tab name. And it is a mode like insert, edit, read only. Three modes are there. You have to select first initially insert mode. And this is insert, like that you can write insert. And website is KL University. And you have to similarly create three basic forms. One is insert, means you are able to insert. And similarly edit means you can edit it. Read only form means only you can you can read the form. So similarly you have to three modes you have to select, and you have to create three forms. So anyway, this is the insert form I have created, and click on save button. And you see basic form created, and a list also. So here list is also there. So we have to create one list also. Click on new form, and KLU list. Why we are going to use, I will show you later. KLU list, and a table name. Anyway, we already created, right? Table name is contacts. Contact our OB only. Contact, and website name is KLU University. And next, click on save. Okay, and you have you can create views also in the list. So go to option, select view. Okay, just click on once again, save it. I think it is not saved properly, and save it. Okay, select view is continue with the grid configuration. Anyway, we don't have any grids, so leave it as of now. So just save and close. And next, and now we have already created one website, right? That is in the design studio. Contact screen is already there, and this is our website. And what you need to do is just sync it first. Okay, after that you can design your table and table name and everything, you can design it. First sync. Okay, and the next what you need to do is you need to use add the role and table role, both you have to use it. So permissions, go to the permission, and Kumar table is already displayed, and role is already KL web role is already assigned. You don't need to manually do anything here. Okay, next edit form. Go and check the form also. It is a contact form, and data is create a new record, and on submit your this information is will be displayed, and captcha is not required, and attachment is also not required. AI to fill is also not required, just disable it. So this is my form, right? So next thing is student marks is our uh, page, and sync it. Okay, we have synced it. And next you have to test it. Go to preview and desktop. So how it will be displaying, we are going to test it. So this is my form. Okay, and you see student marks and academic is a different form, and marks details are different. The student marks contact entity, this is our OOB, and anyway you can enter your contact details. Okay, uh, Anesh Kumar. Okay, done. And the job title is a student, like that. And account name, I think it is mandatory. If it is mandatory, you can select contacts lookup. These are all our account, okay, that we have created. And email ID also you can type it, and business phone number also you can type it, and same thing you can type like a mobile number also. Fax, and everything is done. Submit it. So we are sorry, went wrong, try again. I think there is some issue. So if you are facing this kind of issue, then go to this design studio and sync it. Oh, it is a private. As of now, it is private. So make it public. So just click on it and make it public, and set as public, and sync it. Okay. Again, just close it. So I think it is done, and preview now again. So now you see same information is displaying. So now it is a public portal. So same information you can enter it. I filled the form and I am submitting it. So now you don't have permission, appropriate permission. Okay, let me check why it is displaying. So if you are facing that kind of error, like if you are unable to submit it, so what you need to do is go to the this power you know this power page management, and first you need to do is web role. Select web role, and our web role is KLU, right? KL University web role. Select it and activate it. Okay, this is first step that you need to do. And also we have given table permission also. Select table and KLU, right? Just search it and activate. Select this one and activate it. Okay, and third thing is list and basic form also, same way we have to do. KLU and select it and activate it. And the next basic form also you can do it, basic form also. KLU and activate it. So four things we have activated. Now go ahead and test it. Once you activated, what you need to do is your design studio, go to design studio and sync it. Okay, whatever changes you are doing in the power page management studio, so you have to sync it here, and after that you have to preview and desktop. Okay, Okay, now you try to submit it. Okay, and submit it. So your contact is successfully submitted. This is the steps that you need to perform, right? So we have covered all that. So now basic form we have created, and the next thing is, okay, and web roles, table permission, basic form, list, and also form creation we already covered, and list creation, how to create the list in the power page. Okay, now I want um, marks details here. Okay, marks details I want to display in the marks details section. So how can I pull it? So there is like something, go to the design studio, and marks details are there, right? Okay, in the existing page only I want to put it. Okay, marks details section. Just you see here, add component is there. Add component, select it, and mark details list. Okay, this time table list I want. Earlier form selected. Okay, now I want to select the list only. Okay, select the list. Okay, which list you want? I have added one list actually. The list name is marks list. One table I have already there. I have created earlier. Marks list. Select it. Okay, and select the data view. View also, if you want, you can select it. Active marks list view I have selected, and click on OK. See, now you see mark list is also there. Okay, but this edit list, I don't want AI insight. What you need to do is you just disable that AI insight. Here it is already there, and also I want to create a new record. You enable it, but form is not displaying. Okay, form is not displaying because basic form is not available. So how to create a basic form? Already we covered. Quickly what I will do, I will create web role and web table permission, and also I want to create the form also, basic form, and I want to show it here. Okay, how can I do? Go to the power admin center again, sorry, this one, power page management studio. Quickly I want to create the things. Okay, first thing is what we have to do, web role. Web role we have to create. So what web role you want to create? KLU. So you can create a new KLU marks list. Marks list web role. Okay, and website, what is the website? KLU University. And what is the authentication? Authenticated user role? No. Anonymous user role? Yes, always. Okay, this one you put it. After that, we can use this one also. And click on save. And this is the web role. Save and close it. Okay, once you done KLU, again KLU, and KLU marks list web role. This is first one, this is second one. And activate it. This is the first thing that you have to do. And next, table permission, similar way. Okay, table permission, what is the table? Marks list is our table. Earlier I have created, okay, where I have entered a marks list. Okay, KLU table. This is the table, and a table name. This time earlier contact, this time marks list is our table name. Marks list. Okay, you can select marks list. Marks list. See, mark list. And the next website is KL University, and access type is global, and read creative right also you can give. If you want, you can give other permission also, that is up to you. And this time save only. Okay, and after that you have to add web role here. This is mandatory. And web role is KLU marks it web role, and add it and save and close it. So next we have to activate it, right? That same thing we have to activate it. KLU, type it, KLU marks. The KLU mark list KLU table is there, and activate it. So mark list, two things we have done. And you can use the list also. You can create a new list also. So KLU marks list, you can type it, KLU marks list something, and the table name is marks list this time. Marks list something, right? And the next website is KL University, right? And views you can add later, but as of now just save and close it. And similar way, form is not required because list only we are going to use it. And copy, and then you can activate it. This one, right? You can activate it and go to the design studio, and here only we want mark list, right? So what we can do is, already we have given the permission, enough permission, that's why it is displaying. And click on sync. So once you sync marks details, right, then preview desktop. Now you see mark list is displaying. Anyway, inside I think I have not disabled, I think. So this is how we can use the mark list also. Okay, mark list also we can enable it and check the marks, and all these things are there. So this is how we can enable the list. So what we have covered today, uh, so how to create a list in the page. Even though this list you can create a new page and you can show. And form creation also we have covered. Okay, form creation in the page, and website creation. And after that, power page management, we have created web role, and we have given the table permissions, basic forms, and lists. So these topics we have covered today. That's it for today. Thank you.